yeah, let's just go to the lake shore so that when anybody else comes here, they know what house is what, you know. And I found something. I found an Ankara dress. Hi guys, happy Labor Day. Yay. We are rushing down to Toronto. We're actually going to the lakeshore and we want to go watch the air show. Guys, I hope we still meet something because we are running late. We just pushed ourselves out of the house because other than just to see the show, we would have preferred to rest in. But we want to see the show. Like, I want my mom to see the show. And yeah, let's just go to the lake shore and, you know, relive old times. Oh my goodness, we're going right across opposite our former apartment. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know what's up. Yeah, we're on our way. I only packed drinks for you to know how unprepared we are. Initially I wanted us to have like a picnic since we still have the sun, but we're not ready, so I just took some cans of drinks, so we'll just have that while we watch the show and then head back home to eat. You are my sun, you are my sunshine, you are my sun, you are my sun. Oh, feel like it. Oh my god. Sunny day. Where are they? Where are they? Oh, okay. That's them. That is them. not going to a hot dog side. Yes. I don't know if you don't see your friend. Such a cute dog. So we're on our way back home now. It was a fun day out. I mean, it did not require so much planning, so much thinking. There's no gate fee. There's no stress actually. I've got my hot dog. And yeah, we're just walking. Guys, this used to be our former apartment. This one, yeah. And this is where we came to. Yeah, such golden location, guys. I miss it. Can you tell? Can you tell that I miss it? Hi guys, so I don't know what part of the vlog we're at, but this is some proud mom moment. Oh my goodness, I just said proud mom moment. Guys, can you believe that since I've had baby, since baby has come home, I have yet, okay, now it's done, but I had not organized his dresser. We've just been living off of, like, we've just been doing a wash and wear situation, like wash it, take it off the washer, fold it up in a basket that I had on this place, not this one, a much bigger one, and then I just keep picking things from there. Guys, I am not proud of that. So today, after I had my late breakfast, I just came up, I had my cup of tea, came up and dealt with it. So I think I filmed a little bit of it. I filmed more for like TikTok, for Instagram and shorts, but I filmed a few clips for the vlog. So this is what we're looking like now. Yeah, so just have just this what do they call these things, like his nail cutter, comb, airbrush, body cream, his socks, bibs, muslin cloths, and these are sleepwears, sleep suits. What's this? Oh, then his onesies, short sleeves and long sleeves. And we have his towel, some pampers, and some diapers and wipes, his bedspread and changing pad cover, and then his swaddles. So those are all the major things. And down here we just have like some of grandma's stuff, hair care stuff, his Vaseline, coconut oil, his old clothes. Guys, I can't believe my baby has now officially outgrown all of his, at 3 months he had outgrown his preemie wears and all of his 3 months sleepwears. This is right now, my baby is 4 months, so yeah, I had to just fold them away. Before I would force some of these items on, but now it will be very uncomfortable for him to wear any of these. So I've just accepted that my baby is now a big boy. He's becoming a big boy. Oh, you're growing so fast, Bobo. Anyway, Then over here, this used to be the basket that we used to leave off of. We used to leave off of just this basket, guys. So these are some new clothes that we bought weeks ago, or over a month ago at this point. They are for 6 months. They are like onesies, short sleeve onesies and long sleeve onesies. So I finally got that sorted and I am so happy. I just thought to pop in here and talk to you guys. How are you doing? I feel so good after doing all of that. Yeah, so organized. I feel so good. Oh, what's next? I'm gonna get labels for a year, so that when anybody else comes here, they know what house is what, instead of just guessing. Yep. And I found something. I found an Ankara dress. And a dashiki top. Stoned though, guys. Stoned. You guys so went to Valley Village. I've not been to Valley Village in up to a decade. Just kidding. But it's been a long time since we went to Valley Village. Maybe I don't even remember when. I'm sure it's been over a year. Anyway, Mom wanted to see what thrift shopping is like in these parts. So I decided to take her to Valley Village and I picked out some nice things for myself. One, this pink active top, active wear, from the active wear section. I picked this one. It says it's a large. It looks big to me. It's a size large, but it looks big. But I like it. It's pink, so I think I don't have any excuse, even when fall kicks in proper, to take walks, which is what the idea I had for this one. Yeah, and this one, and it is $14. I don't know how much these brands typically go for, but they look like good material, so that's why I picked them. At this point, if I go to Valley Village, if nothing speaks to me, I'm not picking. And then I saw these flats. I think I have something similar from Shein. These ones are from Old Navy, and it's going for It went for $9. Still pretty in good condition. So I couldn't resist the urge. So that, and guys, I just want to show you the bags from this particular value village. I've never picked bags from value village. What is this? Is this not so nice? Like, it is so nice. And that's the long hand for the crossbody styling. I think it's beautiful. And I got a tote bag. Look at this. Just take a look. Look at the material. I think it's cool. It's really nice. Nice tote. You know. Yeah. So those are the things I've managed to pick out. I checked the kitchenware section or the cookware section. Nothing is given there. So that is it for this haul. I don't know what else I'm going to be up to today, but yeah, I'm gonna carry you guys along. I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. Well, I hope it's not all over the place. Or maybe I should end the vlog here. If you watched till this part, let's see what emoji are we gonna use. Leave me a strong emoji, like a strength emoji, because guys, is tired. So yes, send me some energy in the comments, and I'll catch you guys on another vlog soon. Bye.